Hello everyone and welcome back to TheForgeSculptures. For today we'll be making Nana's Boomerang from Mobile Legends. Look at that face.
Subscribe to my channel.
First thing that we have made is the skeleton or the armature of the sculpture. Covering the whole thing with aluminum foil. It depends if you want it to be thick or thin, depending on how much clay you want to use. And after all that's done, I started covering the whole thing with polymer clay. In this part I am adding segments which you can see on her boomerang. Now I'm doing the other side, making sure that there is no exposed aluminum foil. Now this would be the metal part of the boomerang. I guess this is where Nana hits her enemies. I'm now adding the details. When it's all set and baked, we go now and start the painting process. I always use a dry brush on painting my sculptures, but I guess someday I'll buy an airbrush, so that'll be great if I have one. Now on to painting the wooden part of the boomerang. And now it's done. I just let it dry and cover the whole thing with clear matte spray paint to protect the sculpture from chipping. And thank you for watching, guys, and if you have a comment down below what you think about this video, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video. Bye.